Okay, everyone, I thought I would do a sound demonstration of what I have on my 2023 CVO Road Glide. Currently, what I have on are the Tab Performance BAM sticks, the 4.5-inch version. And with these BAM sticks, on the right side slip-on, I have the 2.5-inch louvered baffle, which they consider their medium sound baffle. And on the left side, I have the zombie baffle, which is basically a straight metal tube with no perforations, so it allows exhaust to flow straight through. And I did it that way because, as you know, on the touring frames for Harley Davidson, there is much less exhaust that flows out of the left exhaust, and because of that, I wanted a little extra sound, and I didn't want to do that on the right side because my thought was that if I had a lot of exhaust noise coming out the right side and I put a zombie baffle there, it might be too loud. So this is the way it's set up, and the way I have it set up, it actually sounds quite nice. So I'll turn on the bike and let you hear it. Okay, so here we go. Now I've mounted the Screaming Eagle slip-ons from the 2024 CVO ST. These are the titanium slip-ons, and in my prior videos I did show that I removed the restrictors out of both slip-ons, but also in the left side slip-on I removed the fiberglass packing. I did leave the fiberglass packing in the right side slip-on, again for the same reasons that I put the zombie baffle in the tap slip-ons in the muffler you saw earlier. Again, I wanted a little bit more sound, and so removing the fiberglass packing in these CVO ST slip-ons would allow greater sound from the left muffler, but because the left muffler flows a little bit less air, it wouldn't be too loud in my estimation. So you can see here, and what I'll do is I'll start up so you can hear a rough sound comparison, although it's a little difficult obviously because mics and speakers on phones or iPads or whatnot do not capture the sound very well. But hold on 1 second.